everybody, it's Jacob S. I'm doing a Nerf war with my friend Seamus. Hello! You're so dizzy. So we are going to do a Nerf war. No, stop. And we are going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can't come past here. No, I said no! Wait, my gun's not loaded. There we go, folks. Let's try to get back at him. Headshots count.
Okay.
Dang it.
What? Where's mine? Oh, our bullets hit each other.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, they did.
Before the video, Seamus shot me. So I will get revenge on him. Oh my God! We cannot go in my neighbor's yard. Oh, cheek shot! Face shot, folks. That's how you do it. Jesus Christ, Seamus. This video will not be uploaded till tomorrow because I am doing something special tonight. I am going to Dave & Buster's and other places. Oh, jeez. Did you hear that? That got clean. Seamus, this video's got to go till 8 minutes. Say hi. What do it? Make sure you subscribe to me. Oh, geez, how do you make that long distance? No. Jeez. Folks, be careful. The product is dead. The subject is dead. Repeat, subject is dead. Oh, he missed. He missed no matter what. Stay calm. Sorry, folks, for the car and the incident. Sorry, folks, about that. She was also bored in the middle of the road and almost got hit by a car. That is how you dodge a shot. A perfect shot. And he has,
What, are you gonna
he has the Nerf vest on. I'm gonna take the, yes, Seamus, aim target. Oh, that's how you dodge one. Shay. So, folks, this might get a little bit crazy, but before it might not. And if you hear voices in the background, that's me and Seamus and my sister and her friend. They are watching. Where did that go? No, don't, sir. It's mine now. How much do you have? I think that's one, dude. Don't waste it. That's just terrible, folks. Never waste a bullet. That is how you dodge a shot.
Dude, it didn't even go far enough.
Oh, haircut.
Oh, I'll show you a haircut.
Oh.
With your eyeball.
Folks, runner on the loose. I repeat, runner on the loose. Runner on the loose.
How? Why is this?
What? That was mine. Gimme. I don't have any more bullets left. Just one. And that's what I call going deep. Make sure you subscribe. Maybe to Seamus, but yes, me. I'm awesome. And make sure you check out the Cheetah Soybean Hot Challenge with my friend Akiva Jacob S. After you're done watching this one. Or just go on now, because when you're done watching this video, then I will be going to Dave & Buster's Now I can't upload it till tomorrow. We were gonna make a Minecraft video. That did not work so well. So we are at 5 minutes. We will end this video very soon. This is just played out with me and Seamus. We decided to do this. Wait, you can't shoot. Can't shoot.
Okay.
I said can't shoot. I know. No, my bullet. My bullet. That sucked.
Guys, don't do it in the middle of the road.
We're not.
Well, there is a bullet in the middle of the road. Seamus, wait. Oh, that's why my bullet wasn't
That
going
sucked.
against the wall. Emily!
Ow,
No fair! I was getting a jar.
Sorry about that, folks. That's what you call dodging a bullet. Sorry, folks, about this. Technical.
Hands are up.
And in the Cheeto video, I was afraid to stink, but at the end of the video, make sure you watch it. That's how you miss. Put your hands up. I'm gonna shoot your butt.
Hey!
Why am I not moving? Nose shot, folks. Say you all right? Eyebrow shot. Looked like a nose shot to me, but maybe I didn't see that. Not in the street. Not in the street. Oh. You faked it. I literally have no bullets left. I can aim at you. I'm just gonna take a little rest, and he's not gonna get me. Let's just enjoy this moment when he can't get me. Who cares? Hit my bullet. Folks, he's gonna miss. Carp! Carp! I repeat, carp! Put your hands up! What the? What the what? What the what? What the what? What the what, folks?
Just stand still for 1 second.
Yeah.
I just want to do something awesome.
Folks, he is gonna mad at me.
Clash Smiths.
Darn. Put your hands up. I'm out. Time out in the Nerf war. Taking a short, teensy break. I don't know. Goodbye, bullet. Bird! You see that, folks? That's a true bird. I surrender. No bullets left. I dropped my gun. No. It won't be uploaded till tomorrow. Won't be uploaded.
Clash Smiths.
Ah,
Darn it, didn't shoot.
it's not. It won't be uploaded till tomorrow. I keep telling them that. They don't listen. That was just my neighbors.
Come on, shoot me. Or are you a scaredy cat?
That was just my neighbor, folks.
Noob.
Who you calling a noob?
I'm calling you a noob.
We gotta end this video in like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Put your hands up, drop your weapon. And then you can pick it back up later. On the ground.
No.
On the ground. On the ground. Fine, drop your weapon on that little table. Put your hands up. Say, I surrender.
I surrender.
Now I shoot. Not another step. Dang it! I'm like awesome at Nerf shot. I am like awesome at Nerf shots. Shay, car. I am like awesome at Nerf shots. How do I miss? By the way, I'll make a Minecraft Christmas video, even though I don't celebrate it. I surrender.
Fine.
I dropped my weapon. I should not drop my weapon again.
Show me the camera. No, I'm not going to shoot you, I promise.
I'm down. I'm down for the count. That is not fair. You got double gun.
Yes, I do. Come on!
Folks, this is just my neighbor going secret top. Out. And he is taking a break now. He is surrendered to get his bullets. Two minutes, Jay.
What?
2 minutes. Gotta end this video.
Just show me the camera.
Why, do you want to shoot it?
I want to shoot the camera. Class dismissed.
Oh! I'm in
Oh,
deep.
you want class to be in session still?
No, no.
Huh? Huh? What happened?
I surrender. Okay, folks. We gotta end this video here.
All right, fine. Let me outro the video. Come on.
Okay, fine. You can do it first, and I do it. Outro.
Class dismissed. Hey!
Okay, folks. So I'll see you guys next time. Have an awesome weekend. Stop. Stop. Do not signature pound it.
Okay.
That's what Akiva did.
I just want to dismiss the class.
Outro.
Class dismissed.
Okay, folks, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Put some comments in the comment section below. Come on. Why don't you do that? Okay, folks, I will see you guys next time. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.